You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases from this song by Edith Piaf. You probably know that song. Non, je ne regrette rien. Non, rien de rien. Non, je ne regrette rien. So let's break down the pronunciation. Non, rien de rien. Non, rien de rien, meaning no, nothing from nothing, nothing at all, essentially what it means. I don't regret anything. Je ne regrette rien. Non, rien de rien. Je ne regrette rien. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.